Hey guys, I'm GoodBulb Tom. This is Tesla. This is the 5000 Kelvin LED 18 watt 10 pack that you are looking at right now. A few major benefits to this tube. Number one, it's 5000 Kelvin LED. That means it's a natural white bright light. It's the closest thing to working under natural sunlight. You will feel more energized. Paper's whiter, ink is blacker. It reduces eye strain, headaches, glare. This is a hybrid LED tube. What that means is that it's available in two different applications. Plug and play. Take out an old fluorescent, stick in your LED tube, you're good to go. Beautiful white light. It's also a bypass LED. So you remove that ballast, save more energy, take out a piece of the fixture that could cause problems, and install this LED tube so it works directly on line voltage. There's no UV with these bulbs. There's no flicker with these bulbs. There's no mercury in these bulbs. And they are instant on. Extreme long life. Super tough. Available in a 10 pack. If this is the right tube for you, click that add to cart button now. Any other questions, just let us know.